welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 5, the home of British Airways. The local time here is now 3:45 in the evening. Please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is safe to do so, please take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. Please check that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. If your journey ends here at Heathrow, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals. If you are connecting onto another flight from Heathrow today, please check the information screen for your departing gate number. If this is not yet displayed, please follow the purple signs for flight connections. If you require any assistance here in Heathrow, please speak to one of our colleagues who will be happy to help. For those